Hello everyone. Welcome to Trupti's Craft Summer Break Paper Quilling. How are you doing? How is your summer going on? Did school start yet? In our area, school will start on August 23rd. So next Monday will be our last summer break quilling live. So last week I showed you how to make this paper quilling train card. I hope you made something like this. And if you made it, please don't forget to share with me. I would love to see your creations. So today I'm going to show you how to make owl. And you can make magnet with that owl, or you can just put it on the card, or you can decorate your photo frame with owl. So let's get started. Let me adjust my other camera. Okay. Now let me add my other camera. Okay. So for the owl, we need a lot of strips. So for the body, we are going to use 7 strips. If you have pre-cut store-bought strips, you can use 7 strips. Or if you have these strips, I made these small strips with regular printing paper, then you need 14 of these strips, or if you have store-bought strips, you need 7 of them. And you have to glue all those strips together to make long strip. So I already glued it, so it will take a little bit time to glue all the strips. That's why I already glued it. So your strip, this is whole big strip. So you have to roll this strip. You can use any color combination. I use shades of pink, but you can use any colors. So let's start rolling. Take one end and put the strip inside the slot and roll it. Roll it gently. Now, usually we roll one strip, right? So it's not that big one, but now we are going to roll 7 strips. So, and we are going to make tight coil. So this strip, this coil will be little bit big. So what we are gonna do while rolling, we are gonna support our fingers like this, so that coil will not go up and down. So just support your fingers like this. Roll big strip. Now glue the end. Take tiny bit glue and glue the end. Hold it for a few seconds. Now carefully remove this tight coil. Now what we are going to do, keep this coil on the table and just use your slotted tool to roll it. Just like rolling cookie dough, we are going to roll it so that these edges will look smooth. So this is the body of owl. Now let's make eyes. For eyes, you need 2 black strips. Sorry, If you have pre-cut big strips, you need one black strip, one white strip, and one any light color strip. So you need three strips. And if you are using short strips, you need two black strips, two white strips, and two light color strips. So glue as black, white, and light color. And let's start rolling from black color. And let's make eyes. And we are going to make tight coils. So this will also be little bit big compared to regular coils. So don't forget to give support with your fingers. And then put glue, hold it. And then remove carefully. And just like this big coil, you can roll it so that it will become smooth. So we need two coils for eyes. Then we are going to make beak. So take orange strip and then roll it, and we are going to make triangle shape. Make loose coil. So this is loose coil, and then pinch it. So you have teardrop like this, and then press the teardrop and you will have triangle shape. So, and you can glue it like this. So beak is ready. Now let's do legs. For legs, I'm going to take very light pink color strip. Roll it. If you have electric tool, then you can use it. Roll it. And we are going to make small loose coils. Keep it here. Let it open. Take it. And let's make half squeezed coils. Like this. So you need two of these. This is second one. So we have two of these. Now let's make wings. For wings also I am going to take one strip, light pink color strip, roll it. Now make a little bit big loose coil, and same thing, take it and make little bit curved half circle like this, and then glue it. So you need one more. Pinch it like this and bend it a little bit. Okay, so these two wings are ready. Now let's take dark pink strips and make one loose coil And let's make double curve eye shape like this. Pinch it and then bend it. And then put glue. One more. Press it and pinch it and bend it like this. So all parts ready. Let's glue them now. So take our board. Now this is body. I'm going to use pin so that it will be secure. Hold pin. Now let's glue eyes. We are going to glue eyes like this here. Put glue on the bottom. Glue it. Other eye. Then glue it. Now legs. Let's put legs like this. So put glue here. Glue it. So legs like this. Now let's put some these wings. Here. And I'm going to add some pins. And glue it. Now let's glue the nose, or sorry, beak. So remove this. This is beak. Put glue on top and bottom, and then glue it like this. And let's take these two eye shapes and we are going to glue them like this here on top. So put glue here on the side. Let's use some pins. Other eye shape. Like this and put pin. So now this needs to dry. So this is cute owl. You can put magnet behind it. You can glue magnet, or you can make a bookmark, or just put it on the card. So I hope you enjoyed making and seeing this owl, and I hope you will make these kind of creations. If you make any creation, don't forget to click a picture and send it to me. So let's meet next Monday. That will be our last summer break paper quilling live. So till then, happy quilling. Bye.